So hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I will explain you all the trades we took on our channels. To join our channels, you can just click on the link in description. So let's begin with our video. So you can just check out. The session was started from right here. The first signal was for Euro JPY 5 minutes up. This was a very good one. Yeah, so in this trade, Euro JPY tapped into a strong support level that showed the rejection, confirming that buyers were holding right here. Buyers were holding the zone. So support level was there plus confirmation was there. So we just put a call side here. We won this trade. Amazing win right there. We can just check out. Then the next signal was for odd cat 5 minutes down. Here we can just check out. This was also a very good win. Yeah, so in this trade, odd cat formed a candle with a left wick showing rejection and indicating that the trend is continuing in the same direction. You can just check out the trend was indicating for the downside, and we just put the downside right here, and it was a very good win. Amazing win right there. You can just check out. So these were the signals for today. Amazing signals. 2 non-martingale wins. Our entry was good. Everything was going great. And we just won all the trades with patience and our logics. We will be explaining you all the trades every day. To join our channels, you can just click on the link in description. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.